mend, mend, mend. Restore to a sound condition. Repair a broken article, a damaged road, torn clothes, etc.
What are you doing?
Oh, I found this very old book, but see, it's badly torn, so I'm trying to mend it. See, all the pages are coming out, and it's a very nice book. I really want to read it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I know. I hope I can manage to fix it properly. Will you help
Can
me
I
repair?
help you?
Yes, please help me repair. Just see if I've stuck the page numbers properly.
Yes, it's 24 and that's
25. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. So let's use some glue here. Awesome, thank you. Let's put some more tape. That's it. I think it's mended now, right?
Yes.
Yeah. At least I can read the story. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Let's use mend in a sentence now. Since I run a public library, there are several torn books in my collection. So I keep aside one day in a month to mend the torn and damaged books.